Hi, my name is Robin Calabrese, and I'm an acupuncturist physician here at Whole Family Healthcare. One of the services that I offer is customized herbal formulas. How we do that here at Whole Family Healthcare, we have a customized herbal sheet that kind of goes through everything that we are discussing, some of your chief complaints, what we're looking for, and other questions that kind of help narrow down to help me guide a little bit more about what the direction is that we're moving forward in, whether that be fertility, pain management, or autoimmune, or skincare. The process usually takes about a week, and then I provide you with a report of findings with a 2 to 3 page report that describes everything that we're doing, that adds in maybe any blood work you've taken with myself or any of our wonderful providers here in the office, breaks down the Chinese herbal formulas and full description of what we're working with so that you have a packet to go home with so you understand what you are taking. Then moving forward, I have my pharmacy that is located here in Florida that will be making a customized herbal formula for you. That can either come in powder form, in which you make a tea, or a liquid form in which you will get 2 bottles that we do everything in a month's supply. We reevaluate once a month to see how we're doing. Sometimes you will get that formula again, or we have corrected a certain problem, and so now we're trying to move on to the deeper issues. This is just a more natural way to help your body naturally repair. I truly do find that the herbal supplements are very comprehensive. I have a lot of questions about, different approaches that people have. I can buy this online, or I can do this here, or I can do this there, versus having a truly guided approach on your healthcare on a holistic standpoint. When you have a guided approach, you have someone that you can tell what your symptoms are and what your breakthroughs are, and so that we can approach them in both facets. Why is Chinese herbal medicine different, better, or the same as going to the store or going anywhere online and just getting a 1-a-day supplement? There's a very vast approach to it. It is definitely understanding your gut health and digestive process. If you are taking the supplementation and your gut health is not to where it needs to be, you're not absorbing at all. So taking that 1-a-day approach is not giving you the nutrients that you need. Then repairing the system, repairing your gut health, repairing absorption, we can either move on to supplementation or food. I'm a huge fan of the liquid herbs and the custom formula because they are made for you. But we do have options within our Whole Family Healthcare Pharmacy, which are called patent Chinese herbal medications that are wonderful to keep within your medicine cabinet and can also bridge the gap in between your custom-made formulas.